Hi guys, I'm in the park right now near my house, and I'd love to try and paint this beautiful scene behind me. It is a pond, and it's a beautiful day after a horrible weekend last weekend with flooding here in Connecticut. And it looks so peaceful today. And I'm going to try to paint those lily pads and the trees and some of the reflection in the water. Let's see how it goes. I just want to say, when I'm working on these studies, I am not afraid to mess up at all, and I will take chances. This is just paper and it's a notebook, and although I really like the way this is coming out, I'm learning a lot about color and light and dark and the way water is moving over the surface of the pond, and it's constantly changing. So it's good to take your photo, but also just observe it, because it's every time I look at it, it's different. But I am not afraid to mess up something on my little notebook here. It's my notebook, and it's my journal, and it's my studies, and that's what I want you to do. I want you to just like explore and learn and make a mess and just play with your paints and have a really good time. I'm really relaxed out here. There's kids nearby. I'm loving it. I'm loving the sounds of nature and the little dragonflies coming by, and it just makes for a beautiful experience to be painting outside on a beautiful day.